Hi there, it's great to meet you here. My name's David and I'm your next English teacher. So I've been teaching English now for more than 25 years. I work with business English, general English and English for exams. So let me tell you how I can help you with your English. Well, we will be topical and up to date. No more old lessons from old course books. There will be lots of great new words and vocabulary. I will do English for business and work. What to say in the meeting. How to understand video conference calls better. How to improve your presentation skills. And how to make an impact in your next job interview. We'll also work on your pronunciation. And we'll even do grammar. Grammar is really not so bad as you think. Above all, it's more important what you want to do, how you want to be better. It's all about you. A lesson plan is not a timetable. You are the student. We do it together. See you online in class and have a great day.